Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare CADILLAC XT5 vs Lexus RX 350. We'll examine performance, comfort, technology, safety, and value to help you decide. I will highlight engine feel, transmission behavior, and how each model uses suspension for ride comfort. Expect clear points about cabin materials, infotainment ease, and driver assistance features. By the end, you should know which SUV better fits commuting, family duties, or weekend road trips. In this segment, we focus on engines, transmissions, and ride character so you can feel differences before a test drive. I describe how throttle response, steering weight, and brake feel translate to everyday driving. You will hear about towing capacity, fuel economy tendencies, and suspension trade-offs that affect highway stability and city maneuvering. This will help you weigh which driving personality suits your routes and priorities. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car comparisons and reviews. On another note, quick recommendation. Those leak-proof meal prep containers make packing lunches simple and spill-free, which is great when loading a busy SUV. They nest nicely in a trunk and save cleanup time after errands. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we explore interiors, seating comfort, cargo layout, and in-cabin tech so you know what life will feel like inside each SUV. I cover material quality, seat support for long drives, and practical storage solutions. You will hear about display clarity, smartphone integration, and which system is less distracting. Expect direct comparisons on rear legroom and visibility to help decide between family practicality and stylistic preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.